from the Children and Young People's Assembly on biodiversity loss. The Children's Assembly is made up of children and young people aged 7 to 17 in 2022. We came from all across Ireland. We came together, we shared our ideas, we listened to each other, and we came up with solutions proposed to the Irish Government in relation to biodiversity loss. The process showed us all that when children and young people are given time, respect, and space that we need, we can make meaningful contributions to policy. In many places, children's right to speak is not respected or their voices even heard. This cannot be allowed to continue, as under 18s make up 1/3 of the world population. If we want to live in a truly just world, then listening to and respecting the ideas of children and young people is not optional, it is essential. All involved in the Assembly feel that we have learned something powerful. When children and young people come together, we bring not only solutions, we bring hope, determination, and creativity. We feel that giving this opportunity to other young people across the world is crucial, so that they too may have their voices heard. To conclude, I would like to repeat a message that I shared at the forum yesterday. We may be young, but we do have a voice, and the solutions that we bring are too important to be ignored. Thank you.